Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy. Today we're going to be making eggs and mushrooms on toast. Let's go ahead and start with a little olive oil into the pan. Maybe a tablespoon or so. Maybe a tablespoon of butter. We'll get those mixed together. We're going to go with about a half a teaspoon of minced garlic. And let's go with about a teaspoon of red chili pepper flakes. Give it some heat. Let's just saute these a little bit. The garlic is going to start giving off its aroma. You know, you're just about ready to go ahead and add some mushrooms at this point. Let's add about 1.5 cups of baby bella mushrooms, chopped up but not too fine. Next, we're going to need a little bit of seasoning. Let's go with some sea salt. And let's give that a good mix. They're really starting to cook now, starting to turn a little brown, getting some of the moisture out of the mushrooms. Let's add a teaspoon of butter. Gonna mix it all in good. Make sure they're all getting a butter coating. I believe we're getting pretty close. I don't want them to get too soft and mushy. I better test one. I think that's about right. Let's go ahead and set these off to the side for a minute so I can get my egg cooking. All right, so I got my egg in the pan. Gonna make sure the edges aren't gonna stick on me so it slides out nice and easy. Gonna go ahead and butter up this piece of sourdough toast. And let's get ready to plate this breakfast. Add some mushrooms on this toast. And now I'm going to carefully slide this egg onto the mushrooms. Easy does it. Gonna garnish with some fresh chopped chives. And this is my favorite part, seeing that silky egg yolk running down off the toast. And there you have it, mushrooms and egg on sourdough toast. And now it's time for a little breakfast. Thanks for coming, everybody. And as always,
like and subscribe.